Say hello.
Hi.
Hello. Daddy's there.
Mom, why are we doing another vlog?
Something with the river.
Why are we doing another vlog?
Because I want to see this river.
Wait, where's the lollies?
I think farther. Marysville.
Where's
Gloucester.
the playground? Where's that? Is that the house?
Maulan.
Oh, that's the... I thought there was one here.
Maulan na hapon. Anong oras na ba? What's the time here? 3 o'clock.
What is...
No leaves. Walang mga dahon kasi naglagas.
Mom,
Okay.
let's go ahead of us. Will I do it? Hold it?
I hold. May mga puno. Alright, let's go. Maulan.
Oh, this is the lolly shop.
Oh, it's a lolly shop. No, it's not lolly shop. Is this one?
Yeah. See?
But Dad is going there.
Dad!
No, not yet. Come in.
What?
We're not yet.
Why?
We go there first.
Dad! Dad! The lolly shop is right here.
Lolly shop. We go to the lolly shop.
This way. The lolly
Okay, we go to the lolly shop.
Look.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna see this Bruno's sculpture
We're going
garden.
there?
Yeah.
Should go for it. Maybe not today.
Not today. It's wet. Maybe they're closed.
Ice cream.
We're gonna have a look.
Can we go to... Can we get an ice cream?
No ice cream is too cold for
Have
ice
a
cream.
milkshake. Please, can we have ice cream?
Not ice cream, just
Look how high they can get up to.
oh wow, maybe tomorrow, not now. Get the ice cream. This is the one I'm talking about. This is that one. That one. Yummy. There's a chocolate and maraming iba-ibang klase. Bye-bye! And Daddy! What are you thinking? What is that?
It's like a lollipop.
Yeah.
There's powder at the bottom.
What's in it?
There's powder at the bottom.
Oh no. I think you don't like if powder something is too sour.
But I've tried it before.
It's too sour.
Oh yeah.
There's a
Bubblegum.
which one?
Bubblegum roll.
Did you see?
With the bubblegum inside.
Oh, that's
From
too.
Center.
Let me see. Samantha. That's too,
Oh, I
too
used to
big.
love wing pops.
Ring pop. The ring pop. You just choose one. How much per day?
20 cents for this.
Oh. This one 150. Tornado.
Mom,
Tornado pop.
could I get this and something else because this is only 5 cents.
Okay. Okay. Maybe if it's a
No.
small amount, you can get. Oh, this one. You like that one?
Yeah.
The sour rolls.
Wait,
Only
there's also-
$1.50.
There's also some gummies that you can have in a packet.
There's a giant lollipop.
No.
Giant lollipop.
Oh.
My goodness, how can... No, how much for the slime? I thought you're gonna just get lolly, not slime.
$7?
No, no, no slime. They've got honey here. Just lolly. What's that?
You can make a big balloon.
Oh.
Reusable and safe.
But no toy, just lolly. Get some lolly. Hi, Samantha. Mga lolly nila. What is this? Rainbow straw.
I want to get one so we can have on the trip. You know.
You choose now because that is... What time they gonna close, honey? The art gallery? I said just if a big like dollar up, just one. If it's okay, yeah. If it's cents like that, you can get two. Okay.
How about this? I feel like it's going to be
What, Bobby? What are you? Did you choose? What is that? Show it to me. What's that?
lollipop.
Lollipop. You pay it first. There's a big one. Oh, you don't like big lollipop. Pay for.
Show it.
Yeah.
Show it. And it's only 50 cents.
Oh yeah, you can. If 50 cents, you can choose two. Ah, nag-iyak na yung isa.
Baby dip. Are we going? Show it. Can I also have this? This for 30 cents.
How much? No. What is? How much for that? That bat? What's that?
This.
Sour.
This.
Ah, no, you
It is
don't like this one?
I do.
Tornado.
Mom.
Tornado.
Mom. So,
Rainbow candy.
Mom, see? 50 cents.
Mm-mm.
$3.30.
If it's $3 one, you cannot choose the cents. If cents, you can choose two.
No, like habit. The
What are you talking about? Baby.
habit, Mom. We go with a little bit lolly.
Lolly.
Mom, see?
Too big.
Mom, see?
Only that small, oh. That one.
Mom,
Not too big.
$3.50. Hi. $3.50. Hi.
Just this one, not this one. Okay?
Why? But this is only 50 cents.
Yeah. If it's 50 cents, you can choose two.
There's an ice cream one.
Oh.
How much is this? It's $1.50. Wait,
You cannot open. Pay it first. You pay it. Pay it first.
Okay.
Yeah, pay. After the
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, guys, we'll open it. No, not now.
How much for that lollipop?
$1.50.
Okay.
I don't want to share this because it's lollipop.
Okay. This one, you like this one?
All of this is for $2.
Okay, you can choose. You can. Let me see.
$2.
How much for that?
The lollipop with the gum in the center
Yeah.
and the sherbet.
Okay. Hannah, you go now. Ay, oh. Samantha, can you pick it up? Tinapo na ng isa. Oh.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Hurry up. I think it's closing. You choose. Choose.
How much is this? 50 cents. So, wait, no. This is still $2.50.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Open it.
No, you cannot open it.
Open it.
Just pay it first. Pay it first.
How did it get something for Bobby? Like
No, Bobby just one lollipop.
like this.
No. Bobby cannot have that.
Mom's candy.
Daming candy.
How
Ang pili.
much?
You choose this one, Hannah. Oh, Hannah, you like this eh.
Yeah.
Oh, $1.50.
But this is $1.50 as well.
Oh, I thought you don't like lollipop. But you said
I
this
do.
one.
I really want this.
Okay. No. $3 yan eh. Oh, ha? Hannah.
Wait, so if it's $1.50 and a $1.50, can I still get it?
Uy, there's a chili beans.
Oh.
No, only $2.
So,
$2 up, you cannot get it. $2. Dami na kasi nilang loli. May mga loli pa nga sila sa bahay. Sa aming... Say bye, Hannah. Bye-bye, Samantha. Say bye, Samantha.
Bye.